best we don't talk no more, but I gotta get it off my chest about all the shit I've been hearing, babe.
Hey DBRIGHT squad, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell from the title above, today I am filming Canadian tries Japanese candies, and I'm so excited to do this video, so let's get right into it. Okay, so I am so excited because I am doing a collaboration with a company called Tokyo Treats, and I'm so excited. They approached me with this collaboration, and so they said they would send me some Japanese candies for me to try. And if you guys know me, you know that I have a very big sweet tooth, and so I was really excited about that. And so it finally arrived, and I want to tell you guys a little bit about the company. So basically it is a subscription box service with Japanese candies. You can actually get a chance to pick what candies you want in the box. It's really cool. You guys should definitely check out their website. I will put the link below to if you want to purchase from their website. If you want to check out their website, I will put the link in the description box so you guys get a chance to do that. So the box goes for $35 Canadian per month, or if you are American, I think it's $31. All that information will be below, and you guys can check that out. But yeah, so let's get started. So this is how the box looks like. It says Tokyo Treat on the top, and it's really cute box. It just basically has like candy designs all around. I'm not going to show you this side because it has my address, and I'm not going to show you the bottom because it also has some of my information. But yeah, it's so cute. It's an orange color. I thought it was like really eye-catching, and it made me even more excited. So we're just going to go through what is inside the box, and I'm going to try some of the treats that are in here. I'm not going to try everything because obviously I'm going to get like a stomachache if I'm eating way too much. But I'm going to try some of it, and then you guys get my first reaction, and I think that's going to be a lot of fun. So let's do it. Okay, wow. So when you open the box, it looks like this, and it says, treat yourself, spread the love, post and tag. So their hashtag is Tokyo Treat, and they have their Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. This is the Kit Kat Peach Mint, and obviously it is premium. I don't understand. Pretty cool. Inside is green. Not bad. So there's this. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it does look like a type of chip. I think I've seen something similar like to this here in Toronto, Canada. One on this end, the blue one. And let's see how the blue one tastes. Interesting, I do not have allergies. Moment of truth. I like it. It tastes good. It just looks like these tiny little things. I'll give this one also 10 out of 10. This is exciting. This one I'm very excited to try because I do love Doritos. So this is a Doritos, and it's said in the booklet. So I guess if you don't know it you can't read it in Japanese, it's all in the booklet. So this is the Doritos that I think it was sour cream and onion. If I am, yes, yeah. Yeah, so it is, I'm correct. It is sour cream and onion Doritos, and I'm really excited to try this, even though I don't really like sour cream, but I'm curious to how it will taste. Okay, so next one is this one right here. It looks like that. So it's kind of like, it looks like bread. Pieces of bread, to be honest. Oh, I see. It's sweet corn snack with a yummy crunchy texture. And it has a sweet sugary flavor as well. Alright, I'm guessing, well, not even guessing, you can tell, this is the melon cream soda drink. Looks like that. Looks very yummy and tasty. Okay, so the mini chocolate bat. So you can see it. It's like mini chocolate bats. This actually looks like it's gonna be really yummy. The other side of the package looks like that. This right here, what is this one? Oh, okay. This is also a soft corn snack. I guess I really love corn. So yeah, it's a Japanese dish, and they say it's similar to a pancake made with a mixture of ingredients like cabbage, egg, meat, cheese, onion, and seafood. That is interesting. I have no idea how that one tastes, but that seems really interesting. And then I'm guessing this one is a what's it called? Soda soft candy. Looks like that. I tried the soda chewing candy. So this is my first try. Let's see. I already opened it. Let me see. Looks like this. It's like really tiny. It feels soft. I like it. It's like, it kind of tastes like gum, but eatable gum, because it starts to dissolve in your mouth. Because it's chewy, but it's like, you know, a candy you can actually swallow and not just chew. I'm trying another one. I really like this one. And this has to be the chocolate mint candy. So this is for mint lovers, and it looks like that. I like mint, but I'm not the biggest fan of mint and chocolate, so that's gonna be really interesting to taste. And then we have these little thingies over here. This one is a sour peach gum, which I'm really excited about because I love all types of peach gum stuff. But yeah, so the gum is really good. It's definitely a gum. It's not a swallowing one, it's just a gum. Yeah, I really like the flavor. It gets sour a little bit. I would definitely give this a 10 out of 10 though. I really like it. This one is fried pork. That's interesting. Whoa, looks like that. Okay. Grape gummies. This one is grape gummies. And this one is DIY snack kit. It's like ice cream. Oh, I know what this is. This is the one that you can make your own ice cream cones. You have to like DIY it and make it. And then last but not least, this is powder candy that pops in your mouth. Yeah, I think we have something similar to this definitely here in Canada. Yeah. Okay, so those are all the snacks, because you see it is empty. But yeah, you guys should definitely check out Tokyo Treat. They have such great goodies, really great tasting snacks, and I think it's a lot of fun to try snacks that are not like the ones that you have in your area, like something very different. I think that's a lot of fun. So I would definitely suggest for you guys to sign up for the subscription box if you like snacks. You know, if you have a sweet tooth, it would be really cool for you to check out these new candies. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, DBRIGHT Squad.